Introducing No App, a new kind of experience compared to regular app stores. An experience where you don't need to give access to your contacts, your storage, or your life, just to use an app. No App is focused on full-featured AI-based services, not just prompts. No App is currently in beta and supports a small handful of powerful integrated services, though soon we will open the doors for third-party developers to power and monetize their websites on No App, while giving users a single place to use thousands of powerful AI services under a single subscription. Here we can see that we also have some third-party sites linked, of which users can search and find and essentially use us like a site directory. Searching by keyword or by category, or the combination of both, users can search for AI to meet their needs. Now, to explore more of what we have to offer, we will need to log in. You can create an account with your email address or by using Google Integrated Authorization. Once we have logged in, we have our favorites here that we have fast access to. Also, notice by the way you can add or remove any service to your favorites by clicking on the Favorites button. Also, you can track the services that you have used recently under the Recent section. And for that matter, as we see here in Trending AI, a list of the services that have been being clicked on most by all of our users recently. Up here on top, we have some of our more powerful AI services on Showcase, and we will leverage this for bringing user awareness to new services that have been listed. Oh yeah, the third-party option here, when we unclick this, we can see all the integrated AI services. These are all services that are included in your pay as you go subscription, or can be used with your own API keys, all through the No App experience. The third-party sites are external links to great external AI resources. Also notice when we go into these services, there is a Neuronic AI logo tab down here on the bottom right of the screen. When you click or swipe on this tab, you will see an option to navigate back to the No App Store, where you can browse and use other AI services. You will notice this tab on all integrated sites and services. Also on Mobile View, we see it's pretty much the same thing. We can click the drop-down to choose between favorites and recents and such. Here under the Account button, you can see your current balance if you are using the Pay-as-you-go option. The Pay-as-you-go option allows you to add credits, and then as you use AI, the credits are subtracted from your account. When you use AI with our subscription, we charge you 10% on all the AI you use. If you use $1 of AI, then we, or the AI service provider, would make 10 cents. Otherwise, bring your own API keys and use Neuronic AI services with OpenAI and 11 Labs for free. Users can disable the subscription option to use their own API keys. However, our subscription gives you access to an array of powerful AI models, not just OpenAI, but also Anthropic Claude, Meta Llama 2, and numerous other powerful language models. To use our pay-as-you-go subscription, just add credit to your account and top up as needed, based on your usage. $10 could last an average user months, while commercial users could burn through that in an hour. Make sure you use the same email address you created your No App account with. It is where this credit will be applied. This also enables you to buy credit for a friend. That's a great gift for any occasion. Let's talk about this integrity feature because it is something unique to our site. When you need professional AI services without hallucinations, you need integrity in your AI answers, and that is where this feature comes into play. We will get 2 or 3 answers back for each prompt you send, and then we will ask AI which answer is the best, or we will ask AI which answer is the best twice in a row for ultimate reliability in the responses you get back from AI. This applies to all integrated services that don't manage integrity themselves. Once you have made payments, you can click on payment history here and see your prior payments, and also there is a link to the receipt. While we hope you don't leave us, if you decide to, we respect your privacy. Click here, and we will delete all traces of you from our system. This is not reversible. Now, with so much going on and so many ways to use AI through No App, it is important to keep track of what you are using and how you are using it. We can see here under the usage, the spend, here is a couple hours at a time in a 24-hour view, which, as we can see, it shows us what AI services and which language models I have used the most in the last 24 hours, by percent of cost. I can change this to other durations of time, for example, here. I now see the breakdown of my usage for the last week. I can see how much I spent each day and where I spent it during the week. We also have all the individual transactions down here at the bottom that gives extensive details for each query the user has made through any integrated AI services. Here under Help, we have our documentation. Here you can find things like this video, how-tos on a variety of services, and API reference for our AI router, and advanced market data services. No app has some really powerful services already, and once we open the door to third-party developers, eventually users will be able to enjoy access to thousands of powerful AI apps under a single pay-as-you-go subscription.